welcome to Jamestown Jobs. I'm Emily Bivens with the Jamestown Area Chamber of Commerce, and we're here today at Newman Print, a division of Newman Signs, to see what it's like to be a print technician. Let's go! I'm Emily with the Chamber.
I'm Nick, the sales manager at Newman Print.
All right, so what are we going to be doing today?
I'm going to show you how to be a print tech.
All right, let's go.
All right. So today we're going to go over our 5-meter printer over here.
Okay.
It's what we use to print all the billboards.
Okay, cool. So what other things do you print here? You have billboards.
Billboards, banners, posters, stickers, vehicle decals, magnets.
Oh, cool. These are stickers?
Yeah,
Nice.
a little bit of everything. So I'll show you around the printer a little bit first.
Okay.
There's no real safety issues, but one thing to watch out for, these yellow bars right here. Mm-hmm. There's one over there. It's a light curtain.
Okay.
So if you cross it while it's printing,
it'll stop.
Yep.
Okay.
So if
like a garage door, huh?
Yes. if we're printing, stay back a foot or two, because if you cross it, it'll switch. It's a safety feature.
Yeah.
And it'll wreck the print. So don't do that.
Oh, then you definitely don't want to do it.
These are pinch rollers. What they do is they pinch the material through and they put tension on it.
Okay.
The only thing to watch out for, they're already up, but if they were down and we had to raise them up, don't put your hand in there, obviously.
Yep.
That is the carriage. That's what moves back and forth.
Okay.
So stay out of the way of that if it's moving.
That's where all the ink is.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll show you where we store the ink in the back.
Okay. You guys print lots of billboards, I'm guessing. You guys have billboards all over the state, right?
Yes.
All over the region?
Oh, yeah. We just fill the ink canisters there. These pumps pump the ink out of those and then all the way up to the carriage.
Right. How much ink do you go through then on how many jobs can you do?
We can print a full roll of this material. We can fit 6 50-foot billboards.
Oh, wow.
And we probably only use a total of a couple liters of ink.
Oh, wow.
It's not very much.
That's good.
Yeah. So when we load a roll of billboard material.
So that's this, right?
Yes. It's kind of, it's just like
it's white on one side and black on the other?
Yep.
Okay.
It's just like a tarp.
Sure.
We open the roll, we put it on here, and then we feed it up through and then over the front.
Yeah.
Just like you can see. That big bar on the back helps keep some tension on it so it doesn't wrinkle up.
Right.
It still happens a little bit, but sometimes we have to help feed it through as it prints. This right here, it's called the chiller.
Oh.
It's just water, cold water. It pumps water through on top where the material goes over the platen. The friction, it gets hot, so the water keeps it cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Don't want any fires.
No.
Pretty much program everything from the computer here to the printer?
Yes. Yep.
Nice. So it's basically like just a huge computer printer.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah. Today we're not going to go over the ordering process or working with the art.
Right.
But the next step would be ripping. So we'll go do that right now. I'll show you over here.
Okay.
Yep. This is the software here. All your settings that you need. You can move the material back and forth with these arrows. This is the tension. So when we're printing, the material has to be pulled tight so it doesn't wrinkle up. So we want that on. Right here, these are fans. So as we're printing, it just sprays out ink mist.
Okay.
And these fans help to suck up the excess. Otherwise, it kind of just builds up underneath.
Sure.
Before we print, we'll do a test print just to make sure everything's working okay.
Okay.
There's 2 buttons here that when I press them, ink is gonna drip out, and we're just purging it. I've already been printing today, so they're good to go.
They just kind of get clogged up if you don't?
Yeah, it can get kind of dry.
Sure.
Each print head has thousands of tiny little holes in it, and they get clogged pretty easily. Sure. So there's some drips on there. I'm just gonna take this and get some of the drips off so they don't drip on the material. So while the printer's going, we really have to watch it and kind of babysit it to make sure it's working right. Make sure the print is coming out okay. Make sure there's no banding. So now that it's going, we'll check on the back to make sure it's not wrinkling up.
Okay.
So these are 14 by 48 foot billboards.
Okay.
They take about half an hour to print.
Half an hour, okay. So this is seam this?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a seamer. Different materials have different settings.
Okay.
So we're going to seam it at about 30 feet a minute.
Okay.
1100 degrees. That's the wedge. That's what's 1100 degrees. Yeah.
Okay, so don't touch that.
Yep. Keep your hands clear of that whole area.
Okay.
So I'm going to wheel this over here.
Okay.
It's kind of melting it together. So we'll seam these 2.
Okay.
And then we'll flip them over and fold them.
Okay.
And that's
And then
it.
you hand them out
To the install crew.
the install crew.
But that is a job start to finish, basically. Once we fold it and pile it up over there for the crew to pick up, that's it for us.
Nice. And show me how to print billboards.
Sure.
So if I feel like I'm ready, I want to apply, how do I apply for the job? What do I need to know?
You can visit our website.
Okay.
You can go to Indeed, the job's posted there, or you could stop in and grab an application.
Perfect.
Yep.
What kind of credentials do I need to have?
So high school degree or GED or equivalent. You have to be good at math. Computer
Which would hold me back. No.
Well, if you have a calculator, it'll work.
Perfect.
You have to be good with computers.
Yep.
Hard worker. You know, it can be physical sometimes.
Yeah.
You have to be able to get down on the floor, stand up. It's Monday through Friday, 8 to 5.
Oh, nice.
So if you can make those hours work, that's, you know,
usually
that's what we need.
weekends, and I'm sure you guys get holidays and stuff too. So
Yep.
perfect.
Yep.
All right. Well, thanks so much for having us.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for coming.